What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. In this video I will share important and massive updates about the Pioneer coin. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, in this video I will share important and massive updates about the Pioneer coin, about the circulation supply, about the how to make money using the Pi domain. So guys, each and everything I will break down in this video. The very first thing, let's navigate to the market of cryptocurrency. This is Bitcoin. 2.76 trillion is the market cap. 1.48% just increased in the last 24 hours. 84,000 is the Bitcoin price, and Ethereum 1,950, XRP 2.37, BNB 627, Solana 128, Dogecoin 17 cent, Cardano 72 cent, Tron 21 cent. Pioneer coin is 1.33. So guys, as on March 14 there was the Pi day, but guys, the Pioneer coin price just dropped. It is all-time high again. Guys, we can see the potential. 2.28 billion is the market cap. 100 billion is the total supply. Mixed supply is also, and circulating supply is 6.93. Also guys, there is something that Pioneer coin is just burning the token. Pioneer coin is just burning the token, and guys, get ready for the big pump of the Pioneer coin. We will hit the Pioneer coin, and the Pioneer coin will hit $2.32 very soon. This is the biggest update. So guys, before that, this is the new staking platform that you can make daily passive income with this. So guys, you can recharge by clicking on recharge, and you can have daily withdrawal. For example, if you stake $100 here, so you will, for the 10 days you will be able to get $140. So guys, there is the staking details that you can see. $100 and $50, $20 that I staked on this platform. And guys, you can make money using the referral program, or you can check the daily history from here, how much you are earning on this platform. So guys, this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor. Never advise you to invest on the platform that I'm introducing on my video. So guys, let's have the biggest update of the Pioneer coin. This is the block explorer mine.py. There is, you can see guys, the mainnet metrics, migrated mining rewards, that is, you can see current locked mining rewards, currently unlocked mining rewards, circulating supply, effective total supply, and this is the max supply. Even you can check the 1 minute migration on this platform. There is, you can see guys, each and every details that you can check on this platform, a minutes, or you can see guys, 14 minutes ago, or each and every transaction that is making on this blockchain, you can check here. Even guys, there are the operations that is currently, you can check guys, 6 seconds ago, 7 seconds, each and every details you can check here. The payments, even also the payments that you can check, that is every Pioneer coin that is moving from wallets to another wallet, the details you can check here. And there are the transaction also, you can check even the transaction between the wallets, and you can even track your transaction here by entering your transaction ID. There are the blocks also, there are the blocks that you can check. So guys, this is the block explorer. Currently the block explorer is also updated, and you can have the latest feature on this. So guys, there is Pioneer trading volume has skyrocketed to an impressive 389 million, showcasing unwavering investors' confidence. With a circulating supply of 7 billion, the network now boasts a market cap of 10.45 billion, solidifying its position as top-tier digital assets. Pioneer remains top of trend table despite 20% weekly crash. Will it flip Dogecoin? It is possible guys, that having with this potential, that Pioneer coin, inside the Pioneer coin we can see with the circulating supply, it will easily flip the Dogecoin. Despite a sharp 20% weekly drop, Pi refuses to fade. holding its place at the top of the trend charts with growing tension on X, formerly Twitter, and rising speculation. Pioneer is steadily closing on a Dogecoin. As the meme coin race heats up, the Pioneer resilience hints the battle for dominance is far from over. However, Floppy Pepe is racing ahead while this giant's fatal position price at this price. The Pioneer coin social media search brings it closer to Dogecoin. Overall, we can expect this. We can expect that you can see, guys, Pioneer holds the top spot on CoinGecko's list of 20 most talked about cryptocurrency. As of March 15, 2025, Pioneer price hovers around 1.47, marking a 25% drop from the previous. And guys, in contrast, Dogecoin is currently valued at 0.17, boosting a market capitalization of approximately 25.65 billion. Pioneer market cap stands about 10.26 billion, positioning at one largest cryptocurrency two spots behind Dogecoin. This is something that we can expect about that. So overall, there is the prediction that we can expect about this, that there is the short that is currently they have predicted about the Pioneer coin to $3, but still we can see there are some market correction that the Pioneer coin should go up. So overall, Pioneer rules out Pi domains, but critics question accessibility. I told you guys, I told you that if uh, by having the bits on the Pi domains, for example, Amazon.pi, Google.pi, Tesla.pi, even you can bid on that uh, domains to make money. So guys, this is something on the auction the Pi community, they provided such a valuable uh, feature for the people, for the pioneers, that they can bid and they can bid the Pi domain and make money easily from there. There is Pioneer price prediction. Is Pi coin a buy, or will this altcoin pump higher? Guys, this is the right time. This is the right time that you can buy the Pioneer coin. Even guys, even the Pioneer coin, the price is predicted up to $3 easily. So guys, even at the end of this month or next month, this is something that we can expect about the Pioneer coin. Pioneer coin ad network feature will be available for pioneers and businesses. All businesses must purchase Pi from CX and pay Pi as a running fee to showcase their products business brand to millions of pioneers. This ad network feature will be game changer for PiCoin because it creates huge supply scarcity. Check below some key points. Real utility for Pi encourages holding and spanning, drives for Pioneer economy, limited supply, competitive ad bidding with Pi. This feature is also will be available for the partners very soon and for the businesses and merchants. So guys, keep your eyes on this feature also. Coinbase in a possible Pi coin listing. There is something this is the CEO, the manager CEO of the Coinbase, that just dropped a bombshell about the Pioneer coin listing on the Coinbase exchange. Guys, keep eyes on the Coinbase also, that Coinbase is also having the idea to list the Pioneer coin. So guys, this is the latest update. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share nice comments below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.